Welcome to a series of messages that we're going to broadcast telling about some of the issues and challenges that we're working on behalf of our members across Australia. At the federal level, there's been a lot happening in Canberra, particularly in the area of life insurance. The Minister has reintroduced legislation which will regulate commissions for life insurance, and I expect that'll be passed by Parliament before the end of this year. Those regulations will take effect on the 1st of January 2018, and so we'll be publishing more information as this legislation passes. The Minister also announced a whole bunch of proposals to establish higher standards of professionalism in financial advice. We've taken steps over the last 2 years to get general insurance broking excluded from these proposals, and we have succeeded in our work on this to date. We hope that the legislation, when it finally hits the Parliament in the next few weeks, continues the exemption for general insurance, and we'll be making sure that that happens. ASIC has also released a report on life insurance, and that's also getting a lot of attention, with some important recommendations in there by ASIC wanting greater powers for itself to be able to investigate claims handling in life insurance and possibly in general insurance matters as well. We're looking at that very closely. The other area of activity that we're working on is in New South Wales. The removal of the emergency services levy is critically important and is now halfway through the process of phasing out. We again urge all brokers to be very careful with what they're doing with New South Wales ESL, to follow the guidance from their insurance companies and to make sure that they're not making false or misleading statements to their clients about the phasing out process. iCARE New South Wales is also going to change the premium collection process for New South Wales workers' comp, and we're working on that very closely with them to make sure people are aware of what's going to happen from about March next year when these new procedures are going to be introduced. We also know that New South Wales Government has been looking at the reform of the Home Owners Warranty Scheme, which is called the Home Builders Compensation Fund, and we'll be reporting on results of those decisions and what the government's going to do in that area in the very near future, as well as those decisions come to hand. So there's actually quite a lot happening at the moment, and we'll keep everybody advised in the Insurance Advisor magazine and also in the weekly Broker Buzz. Thanks for your attention.